I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. And yeah, here's the river. I don't know, guys, if this is the Des Plaines River, the Illinois River, but it's a sizable body of water right here. Or maybe it's some kind of a pond. Yeah, I didn't think that Springfield had a river. Oh, bit shaky there. Oh. Yeah, I guess it's just like a reservoir or pond, but it's not frozen yet. Bit bumpy over here, guys, so I'm going to reduce my speed. And I'm going to go around over there. Oh gosh. So here we are. Oh, there's a rabbit. Mr. Rabbit. Oh. I don't know what this building is. It's a nice building, this, but looks like maybe some kind of a official professional building. Does not say on the old Google. Well, Dirksen in downtown Chicago, I think, is a federal building. So being that this is Dirksen Parkway, may have something to do. Oh, I think I should have went. Alright guys, so 8 minutes away. Whew. Wow. Right down here, 1.4 mile. Can't even see the potholes anymore. There's some shoves there. Guys, let's go take a look. Right. There's like a little strip mall there. Hopefully And it's like a mile and a half away, so I hope that's not going to be my closest place to get some grub. Oh. Oh. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, there's some shop there. Well, there was like a grocery store, I think, directly across the street from the hotel. So hopefully yeah, there's some more things back here this way. Oh yeah. Martin portable buildings. That's smart. Take your building with you. Wherever you go. Team Calhoun's. Wow. Flooring. Maybe Calhoun's does flooring around here. Yeah, see, there's that green. There's that country market. That's where we're probably gonna go. To get us a nice ice cold Stella or something to that effect. Well, just up at the next light, guys. Ooh, Godfather's Pizza. We might taste the local cuisine. By the way they do pizza.